Hello friends, if you are planning to buy a dog for your family, then this video is for you. In this video, we will talk about the top 10 popular dog breeds in India and their features. The price of these pups are depends on their purity and the place from where you are buying them. Number 1. Golden Retriever. Golden Retrievers are one of the best dogs breeds for families in India because of their caring and obedient character. Are very popular with people as pets. They are very smart. They can be well trained and they are excellent in competition. They can also make good watchdogs. They are medium sized, sturdy and good looking. They also have a waterproof coat, dense with straight or wavy outer coat that requires their lifespan is around 12 to 15 years. Number 2. Labrador. To be both a friendly companion and a useful working dog breed is the highlight of this breed. Historically, they have earned their support as a fisherman helper, carrying nets, picking up rods, and picking up fish from the chilly North Atlantic. One of the best dog breeds for families in India. Today, Labrador is as good natured and hardworking as its ancestors, and also the most popular breed in America. Modern labs work as hunter retrievers, help dogs show competition, and dog search and rescue. The lifespan of the dog is about 10 to 12 years. Number 3. Beagle. Making in the top 3 of the best dog breeds of families in India, Beagle are dogs that are extremely friendly and smart. It's the most cute and one of the world's favorite breed of pet dogs. Thanks to its good sense of smell, it is a small to medium sized compact dog used as a sniffer dog at airports. In combination with black and tan or brown, this breed comes in tricolor or white. It also had short hair, hard coat and medium length. Their lifespan is around 12 to 15 years. Number 4. Pugs. Pugs come in the category of small dogs and is also considered as one of the best dog breeds for families in India. They are ideal for small households and residents of apartments. Even if pugs shed, their hair drop is quite small, making the dog easy to handle. Unless they get into some mud or mess, they don't have to be bathed. Because they require daily trimming of nails, they may be uncomfortable with long nails. Pugs come in black, fawn, apricot and silver fawn colors and their lifespan is about 12 to 15 years. Number 5. German Shepherd. The German Shepherd, considers an all-purpose dog breed in the UK, is diligent, friendly, smart and a courageous breed of dogs. They will put their life at stake for their family's safety, making one of the world's best guard dogs. As an active and agile breed, German Shepherd breed requires sufficient amount of physical activity and daily breeding. Their lifespan is around 9 to 13 years. Number 6. Rottweiler. Looking for a best dog breed for families in India, which is both affectionate and a fierce protector, then this breed is a perfect choice. As this breed is famous for its tremendous strength and has a lineage of Roman legion master chief. These dogs are incredibly loyal to their loved ones, making them good companions. It is suggested that they are socialized right from puppyhood to make your Rottweiler well behaved. Despite having a short coat, Rottweilers do lose a decent amount of hair. Using a dog brush that removes dead undercoats in them can reduce the hair fall tremendously. Rottweilers come in black and tan or black colors. Their lifespan is around 8 to 10 years. Number 7. Dachshund. Dachshunds are known for their ever-alert expressions and for bundle of energy in a small body. They are small dogs and are available in 2 sizes, standard and miniature. The smaller being the miniature. While being little puppies, they bark so loud that guests at your house can be frightened. Dachshunds live longer than usual dogs and have about 15 years of lifespan. Number 8. Indian Pariah breed. Also known as the native Indian dog or Desi breed, is an Indian subcontinent wild dog breed. The Indian Pariah dog was one of the first dogs to be domesticated by human beings, dated back to the Neolithic era. It is easy to train and is often used as a police dog or guard dog. They are easy to train, easily adaptable and courageous, and their lifespan is around 13 to 14 years. Number 9. Pomeranian. They are active and playful. Pomeranians are the best companion for kids because of their active nature and they are used as watchdogs too. They are extrovert, intelligent, friendly and sociable. Their lifespan is around 12 to 16 years. Number 10. Doberman. This breed of dog is also known for its agility, speed and intelligence. Once trained, they can be really social oriented and loving. They are fearless, alert, confident and energetic, and their lifespan is around 10 to 13 years. Hope this video is beneficial for you and help you select the best dog breed for your family.